friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make 3 different types of healthy sweet recipes for Diwali. There is no sugar in all the 3 recipes. Instead of sugar, I am going to add jaggery and dates as a natural sweetener. So let's get started. The first recipe is almond flour halwa. For this I have taken 8 dates which I have removed seeds in that, and I am going to add half cup of water to it, and I'll allow it to boil for like 6 to 7 minutes until the dates get tender. Meanwhile, I have taken half cup of almonds in the mixer jar and I'll grind it into a fine powder. Next, I am going to soak a pinch of saffron in the water. Now our dates are soft. I am going to transfer into the mixer jar and make it as a fine paste. Take any heavy bottom pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. I have taken cast iron pan. Now add the almond powder which we have grinded before and fry it on the low flame until the raw smell of the almonds disappear. It will take around 6 to 7 minutes on the low flame to fry the almond flour nicely. After 6 minutes, you can see the color of the flour has changed. Now add our grinded dates paste and give it a nice mix. Keep the flame always on low because almonds have a tendency to burn fast. Mix well until dates and almond flour are well incorporated. Both are mixed well. Now add the soaked saffron water to it. Mix well. Again add half cup of water. Give it a nice mix. Cook again for 5 to 6 minutes on the low flame until the water gets evaporated. Now add 1 small spoon of cardamom powder. Finally add 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. Give it a nice mix. Here you can see the ghee started oozing out. That means the halwa has cooked perfectly. Now switch off the flame and transfer into the bowl. It looks so delicious. Garnish with some chopped pistachios. Instead of suji or semolina, we have added almond flour, so you can have it guilt-free for Diwali. Our next recipe is flax seeds and oats laddu. Dry roast 100 grams of flax seeds on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. The flax seeds are well roasted. I have transferred it to the plate. Add 3/4 cup of oats and dry roast it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Our oats are well roasted and transfer it to the separate plate. Dry roast 1/4 cup of dry coconut on low flame. Our coconut is well roasted. Collect it into a separate plate. Take a mixer jar and add the roasted flax seeds and make it as a fine powder. Transfer it to the mixing bowl. In the same jar, add the roasted oats and roasted coconut. Make it as a fine powder and add to the mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. All the dry ingredients should be mixed well. Add few chopped pistachios and few sliced almonds. Mix well. I have taken half cup of palm jaggery syrup. Add it little by little. Don't add at a time. Mix well. Again, add more syrup. Mix well with your hands. This is the right consistency you need to shape out laddus. I have not used completely half cup jaggery syrup. I think 1 tablespoon is left. Apply ghee to your hands before shaping the laddus. Take a small portion and shape it as laddus. Look how good it looks. Flax seeds have lot of health benefits for hair and it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So try to include flax seeds in your diet. I have shaped all the laddus and how delicious it looks. For palm jaggery syrup, take half kg of palm jaggery and melt it in 200 ml of water. Boil it for 5 minutes and filter and keep. I always keep the palm jaggery syrup as a stock in my refrigerator to make instant desserts. Our next recipe is healthy dry fruit milk. For this I have taken 15 almonds, 10 cashew nuts and 3 dates. Soak it overnight. Peel the skin of almonds and de-seed dates. Transfer it into the mixer jar. Grind it without adding water. I have soaked a pinch of saffron in the water. Add that water and grind it. Add the remaining half water and grind it into a smooth paste. Now transfer it into the bowl. I have added little water to the jar to collect all the residues from the jar. Now add 1 cup of water. Mix well. If you feel it's more thick, add half cup of water again and give it a nice mix. Now let's serve it. Add 1 tablespoon of badam gond or badam pisin, or you can say as edible gum, to both the glasses. This has to be soaked overnight. Now pour the dry fruit milk which we have made. Add 1 tablespoon of sabza seeds. Mix well. Garnish with some chopped pistachios. Now our healthy dry fruit milk is ready to be served. You can serve it chilled. I hope you liked all the recipes. It is healthy and tasty as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye. See you in the next video.